Hello, my name is Sophia. Today we are gonna make a strawberry and a banana milkshake. The ingredients are milk, cinnamon, frozen bananas, and frozen strawberries. First, gonna add the frozen bananas right in it. I'm just gonna drop it in very cold. So cold. And that's the last frozen. Oh my god. It's too cold. I'm gonna add it. Now a pinch. My mom helped me with the top part. I couldn't do it because it's very dangerous for kids. Now we're ready to blend it. Now we're gonna blend it up very fast. I'm just gonna cover one ear. Okay. Oh! Huh? And now we're ready to serve it. I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna do it. All of it, right? Now that's what I call strawberry milkshake. And now for the nice bit. I'm just gonna go in this direction. Now let's taste it. It's very good. Now this is the end of the video. Very, very beautiful Sophia.